Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to demystify one of the most intriguing components in modern cars, the CVT transmission. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a curious beginner, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how CVT transmissions work, their benefits, and potential drawbacks. So, let's dive right in. What is a CVT transmission? To start off, let's understand what a CVT transmission is. CVT stands for Continuously Variable Transmission. A CVT transmission eliminates the need for fixed gear ratios found in traditional transmissions. Instead, it uses a system of belts, pulleys, and cones to provide an infinite number of gear ratios. Unlike traditional automatic or manual transmissions, CVT transmissions offer a seamless and smooth driving experience. This allows for a seamless and continuous acceleration, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and a smoother driving experience. How does a CVT transmission work? Now, let's take a closer look at how a CVT transmission actually works. We'll break it down into three main components: the input shaft, the variable pulleys, and the output shaft. As the engine revs increase, the pulleys adjust their width to maintain the most efficient gear ratio. This results in a smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Inside a CVT transmission, you'll find two primary components, the input pulley and the output pulley, connected by a metal belt or chain. As the engine speed increases, the pulleys adjust their positions to create different gear ratios. This allows the engine to operate at its most efficient speed, whether you're cruising on the highway or accelerating from a standstill. Imagine riding a bike with continuously changing gears, adjusted based on your pedaling speed. That's precisely how a CVT transmission works. It constantly adjusts the gear ratio to match the engine's speed, providing optimal performance and fuel efficiency in any driving situation. Pros of CVT transmissions. Like any technology, CVT transmissions have their pros and cons. On the positive side, CVTs offer improved fuel efficiency, smoother acceleration, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional transmissions. Since the engine can always operate in its optimal power band, it results in better mileage and reduced emissions. Secondly, CVTs provide a smoother driving experience. The absence of gear shifts eliminates the jerky motions commonly associated with traditional transmissions, making your ride more comfortable and enjoyable. Additionally, CVTs are generally lighter and more compact than conventional transmissions. This leads to better weight distribution in the vehicle, improved handling, and increased interior space. Lastly, CVTs can adapt to different driving conditions seamlessly. Whether you're driving uphill, downhill, or in stop-and-go traffic, the CVT adjusts the gear ratios accordingly, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Cons of CVT transmissions. While CVT transmissions come with numerous advantages, it's important to address some potential drawbacks as well. Some drivers may miss the sensation of shifting gears and find the engine noise under heavy acceleration less satisfying. One of the common criticisms is the rubber band effect. Some drivers describe the sensation of the engine revving high while the car accelerates slowly, similar to stretching a rubber band before it snaps. However, it's important to note that modern CVTs have significantly reduced this effect through technological advancements. Another concern is the durability of CVT transmissions. Due to the complex nature of their design, some earlier models experienced reliability issues. However, manufacturers have made considerable improvements over the years, and with proper maintenance and regular fluid changes, modern CVTs can provide reliable performance. Common myths and misconceptions. There are several myths and misconceptions surrounding CVT transmissions. Let's debunk a few of them. Myth number 1, CVTs are less reliable than traditional transmissions. In reality, with proper maintenance, CVTs can be just as reliable. Myth number 2, CVTs are not suitable for high-performance vehicles. While CVTs were initially associated with smaller cars, advancements have made them viable for performance vehicles too. Tips for maintaining a CVT transmission. To ensure the longevity of your CVT transmission, here are some essential maintenance tips. Regular fluid changes. Use only the manufacturer-recommended CVT fluid and maintain the recommended service intervals. Avoid heavy loads. Don't overload your car or tow excessively, as it can strain the CVT belt. Warm up before driving. Gently accelerate during the first few minutes of driving to allow the CVT fluid to warm up. Avoid aggressive driving habits that put excessive strain on the transmission. And finally, follow the manufacturer's guidelines for servicing intervals. Upgrading and modifying CVT transmissions. If you're considering upgrading or modifying your CVT transmission, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, research and consult with experts to ensure compatibility and reliability. Upgrades such as performance tuning or aftermarket parts can enhance the overall performance of your CVT transmission. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between performance gains and potential risks. Troubleshooting common CVT transmission issues. While CVT transmissions are generally reliable, they can encounter issues. Let's discuss some common problems and troubleshooting tips. If you experience slipping or jerking during acceleration, it could indicate a worn-out belt or pulley. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Regularly checking for leaks and maintaining proper fluid levels is also essential. Future of CVT transmissions. As automotive technology continues to evolve, the future of CVT transmissions looks promising. Manufacturers are constantly improving CVT designs to enhance performance, efficiency, and durability. We can expect to see advancements such as adaptive shift control and even more efficient belt and pulley systems in the coming years. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to demystifying car CVT transmissions. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and answered your questions. Remember, understanding your vehicle's transmission is crucial for optimal performance and maintenance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.